Acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medical technique that involves inserting fine sterile needles into the specific points on the body to promote healing and balance the body's energy flow, known as Qi. It is omnipresent. Energy is everywhere in the surrounding us, in the universe, all the places in a different form. So what we do, the energy is flowing in a particular energy channels. It is called meridians. So there are certain points are there in the energy channels. We just prick with the needles, retain for certain times so that the flow will get improved, so our health will be maintained. The acupuncture needle, when insert into the body, it acts like a lightning rod, uniting the bioelectrical energy or chi of the human body with that of the universe. Your flow of energy in the body will be nourished or taken care, or it removes the obstacles in the energy flow. So by creating the free flow of energy in the body, our health will be maintained. Each and every, mental health, physical health, as well as the spiritual health will be in a line, or they will get improved the interconnectedness. We'll start with what is acupuncture. I'll try to explain what is the acupuncture. So acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medical technique that involves inserting fine sterile needles into the specific points on the body to promote healing and balance the body's energy flow, known as Qi. So Qi is called is energy. So there are energy in the body. So energy means, it is omnipresent. Energy is everywhere in the surrounding us, in the universe, all the places in a different form. So what we do, the energy is flowing in a particular energy channels. It is called meridians. So there are certain points are there in the energy channels. We just prick with the needles, retain for certain times so that the flow will get improved, so our health will be maintained. So this is what the definition of acupuncture. There are many other definitions are there. So if you ask me, this is what definition I can explain you. So this is the treatment which you can treat your physical and mental conditions by stimulating the body natural healing process. So energy is the base for everything, every system of the human body, even physical, mental, as well as in a spiritual level. So this is the fundamental base for the normal physiological and pathological condition of the human body. So through acupuncture, we can treat physical and mental balance and diseases, which is related with the human health conditions. So now you understand maybe we understand that what is acupuncture, and by breaking the needle by using in the meridians and the points. So how it works, there will be a lot of questions in your mind. So by just pricking the needle in the body, how we can cure or eliminate the illness from the body. So basically, first of all, we need to understand what is the energy. Energy is the base for all the things. It is full of omnipresent, and it is whole body. It is full of energy. It is there in the universe. It is called macrocosm. So what are the universe is presence? That is called microcosm. We are all the miniature of the universe. So what are the things in universe which is all present in the body? For example, the universe is made with the 5 elements. The human body also is made with the 5 elements. So how it works? So based on that, my interconnectedness of the universe and the human body, we are going to approach to treat the human body. The acupuncture needle, when insert into the body, it acts like a lightning rod, uniting the bioelectrical energy or chi of the human body with that of the universe. This is very, very, very simple. We are connecting to the human body into the universal energy levels. So once it gets connect, your flow of energy in the body will be nourished or taken care, or it removes the obstacles in the energy flow. So by creating the free flow of energy in the body, our health will be maintained. Each and every, mental health, physical health, as well as the spiritual health will be in a line, or they will get improved the interconnectedness. So body, mind, and spirit. So anything goes. In Tamil, it is called, anything goes is excess or deficiency. It is for energy also. If you eat lot of food, going, too much of food every day, that also makes you, disturbance the internal imbalance. If you go for less food also, you will not get full of nourishment, so it will be malnourishment. So anything excess or deficiency leads to imbalance in the energy flow. If it prolonged, can lead to the disease. If you taken care in early stage itself, by these acupuncture treatments, so we can attain the normal health. So based on that, if there is any deficiency in the body, the needle placed in the specific points, there are a concept or principles there that, what are the points we need to choose, specific points to, if there is any deficiency, to promote the energy level. So it will draw the energy from the, bioelectrical field in the outside of the universe or surrounding the environment. And if there is any excess in the body, the needle will either send the excess of the body or out in the body, or redirect the where there is lack of energy in the other system of the body. So we'll redirect in a deficient area of the body. So apart from that excess and deficiency, the flow of energy in the meridian or in the energy pathway, so it get obstruct. We used to call it a stagnation. So when you have a lack of motivational force or any movements in the body, so there will be a stagnation. Either it could be energy or any body fluids or anything. It could stagnate. So when it gets stagnate, the other cells and tissues of the human body will nourish enough. So by needling, we can remove the stagnation. We can make the free flow of energy in the human body. So before that, when you come for, any other energetic medicines, acupuncture, yoga, or any other even quantum healings, all energetic kind of medicines, basically we talk about the word, hear about that energy. So what is the energy? Energy, it's the invisible thing. Yes, we all energetic medicine practitioners, we struggle, or not a struggle, we can't say. Very difficult to, explain them in a way. So maximum how we work to make you feel that energy. For example, how I can say, if someone very tired or going outside, overwork or exhaustion, they'll, feel down in their level of energy. So as soon as you come into the home, or when you wash your face, suddenly you'll feel more refreshed. That time you can feel it. The moment before washing your face, taking a bath, or you'll feel very, very tired. As soon as the water you touch with your face and your body, so you'll feel more refreshed and energetic. How? Because water is the best electric conductor. As soon as you wash your face, the water will absorb the electromagnetic energy from the field of surrounding by you. So this is what we can make to feel that energy. So energy is invisible. It has different names, like it is called in Chinese word, it is called chi, and prana in yoga we used to call, and life force, vital force or vital essence, and ojas in Ayurveda we used to call as ojas, is the fundamental basic core energies in the body. So the energy is very, very important. The energy flow is important for the human body to maintain all the function of the body, taken from the cells, tissues, and organs of the body, to maintain optimum health. So energy is very important for maintaining health and the balance of your mind, body, and spirit. These three levels. When you have a lack of chi or energy, there will be disturbance in the interconnectedness between the body, mind, and the spiritual in the three level of your field of maintaining health. So energy flow is very, 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 very important, and for healing and your disease prevention. So by needling, by treatment through the acupuncture, we can heal through regulate or promote the energy in the meridians, and we can prevent the disease also. If anybody doesn't have it, you are very healthy. So we can work out, take a treatment through acupuncture. You can prevent your diseases through acupuncture. And it is very, very essential for maintaining your vital functions. Different systems, like very essential for your pumping your heart blood. So because heart have the different form of energy, electrical energy we need to heart function efficiently. And every organs, tissue, cells of the body. So energy is very essential for vital functioning and the mind-body connection. So nowadays recently they developed the mind and body medicines. So it is very, very need for recent times. Those who are most of the people they know nowadays, comparing to physical, mental difficulties there are a lot. For example, sleep, insomnia, anxiety, depressions. So these are the very important importance of the energy flow in the human body. Yes, I explained you about what are the energy and energy flow, and maybe in your mind there is a question that how the body is regulating the energy, how we utilize the energy. So this is a small chart I prepared for you all. So basically, the source of energy in three places. First one is, when the baby of human being in the mother's womb, uterus, the baby is nourished by parental energy. Because of the mother energy, and the baby when the fetus will get nourished and developed. After the few months, 9 months, after that, baby will come out. As soon as the moment the baby comes out, it will out of the mother's energy. Understand? The very first moment the baby comes out, it takes the first breath, independent breath, will communicate with the universe. The first universal energy will start from the first breath of the baby for further life of that human baby. So what happened, what is called is a congenital energy. As soon as the baby comes out of that mother's womb, there is a certain energy from parents. It is stored in the human body. This will come till we die. So very beautifully explained in the subject of acupuncture. It is stored in the kidney organ, in the kidney, as an essence. Essence means it's a pure essence. Maybe in modern sense you can understand it is a DNA, RNA, something like that. Okay. So next is acquired energy. One is comes from the parent, one is comes from the outside. What are the food you eat, water, and the air we breathe. This is called acquired energy. So both energies are very, very important. And third one is, yes, this is what we deal with in acupuncture to promote the universal energy or chi. It's a nature force which comes from the nature in the sun or moon or solar lunar energy. Very, very important, the base for yin and yang. So congenital energy, acquired energy, this is the base energy for producing the energy in the body. But without this universal force, this is the force of the producing or creating the energy in the body, which different internal organs which involve. This all energy, source of energy together, it makes pure energy, which is called pectoral chi, which is stored in the chest. That is what we talked about that. Called in Ayurveda, it is called Ojas, Prana, all in the stored in the chest. The next is very, very important. From that place, the body creates the two kind of energy, yin and yang. It is called nutritional energy and the defensive energy. The nutritional energy, which is circulate in the blood vessels, inside the blood vessels, there will be enough right pathway. Channels are inside the channels with full of protection. It will transport. It will circulate. Another kind of energy which is out of the vessel. There is no particular vessels are. It is out of the vessels. It has the different pathway. So it is called yang energy. This is called defensive energy. So one energy is inside. It is called yin. It will nourishes all cells and tissues of the body. One energy is out of the vessels, which is keep on circulated all the surrounding out of these cells, external things, which is will always try to protect from the environmental factor from the outside, any invaders from that. It is called defensive chi. This is the beauty of how the energy is formed, how it works. The yin energy, which is inside, that is yin, will protect you and nourishes the internal things. The defensive energy, which is outside, it will protect from the outer world. So this is what the energy, source of energy, how the body, this is very basically I am explaining you. The multiple organs are involved to produce all the process of the energy. At the end, it will be the yin energy and yang energy, nutritional and defensive energy. So because this is the formation of energy, how our body is producing and utilizing it to maintain the good health. So what the energy, what it do, that there are energies surrounding every place in a different form. We cannot create energy, but we can convert one energy into another energy. That body itself, it will develop by itself. That is a natural healing process in the human body. In acupuncture, just we are promoting and helping the own natural healing process. Just we are diverting the energy flow to promote its own healing, recuperative power in the human body, the level of vital energy. So in a different form, energy, it has a different function of the energy. The first one is promoting. This is very, very important function. Promoting and developing and regrowth of each and every cells of the human body. As we know that each and every day there are multiple cells are getting regrowth or getting renewal. Every day there are multiple cells, millions and trillions of cells are getting died. So body need to replace that and reproduce and regenerate. For that, the body spend tremendous quantity of energy or vital force for doing this job. So we need to preserve and keep on nourishes the energy for this very important function. This is the very important function for detox. Everything will happen. So one of the main function of the energy is promoting the function of all the detox and regeneration and promoting of your all fundamental vital ends. Next, warming function. So warming function is very, very important. Basically, you know that our body is made with the, almost 85% of water. If anything goes in a certain level, we need to maintain the optimum level of normal balance. At the same time, with temperature, generally, 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, we need to maintain this temperature. Any 1 degree if it goes, then we suffer a lot. So, this some specific energy which is very important for maintaining the body normal temperature to keep on warm your body. So warmthness is very important for your active. If your body is not enough warm, you cannot move your limbs. I cannot walk, I can sit. So warming function is very, very important that yang chi will take care of all the functional movements of your human body. So next is defensive function. Yes, defense is very important. So it will protect us. The specific energy, it is called way energy, defensive energy. Helps to protect from the outside invaders, maybe from the dust and microbes, unwanted microbes. And mainly it protects from your environmental changes like a climate change. Suddenly sometimes getting raining, and suddenly if you expose into heat, from heat suddenly exposure into the rainy or cold. So body need to adapt in that. If you not have enough defensive mechanism, body will not adapt. So we'll feel that imbalance. It creates different ailments in the body, maybe fever or chillness, yes, other related issues. Next, checking function. Checking is very, very important because a particular organ energy which dominant and related with all the orifices, because it's their orifices, even all nose, mouth, and there are 9 orifices are there, which is taken care by the specific energy for checking it. Otherwise, if it is need to hold that. For example, for urination, if you doesn't have any particular, you can directly, I can say it's like kidney energy. If you don't have enough kidney energy, it will not be able to hold that, dominate that urethra or that orifices. It may get, incontinent. The urine flow will be continuously not able to hold that. For that, the energy, kidney energy is very, very important to, control and dominate for that orifice. So this is called checking function. The energy, particularly, keep on check all the orifices, everything is fine. Okay, it's called checking function. And nourishing is very important to nourish each and every cells and tissues, organs of the body for optimum maintaining the health. So this is the main function of the energy. Very, very, very briefly, I am telling you.